Before starting, let's check the system information. In System Properties, you can see that the laptop has 16 GB of RAM and a 447 GB SSD, which represents a 512 GB drive. Now let's shut down the laptop and open the back cover. For this process, you only need a screwdriver. Using a plastic opener is recommended, but it is not mandatory. Carefully remove all the screws from the back cover. Take your time here and keep the screws in one place, because they are small and easy to lose. Once the screws are removed, you will notice a small gap forming automatically between the cover and the body, usually near the upper side. Use this gap to gently open the cover. Do not apply too much force at any point. After opening the cover, the first and most important step is to disconnect the battery. This helps avoid any short circuit while working inside the laptop. Here you can see the NVMe SSD. It is a small-sized drive secured with a single screw. Remove the screw and take out the SSD. Here are the two RAM slots, which can be upgraded if needed. Now let's take a closer look at the SSD mounting area. The original SSD was a short-size NVMe, but the SSD I am installing is a longer NVMe drive. Because of this, we need to change the screw position on the mounting clip. Carefully remove the screw clip and reposition it to the lower mounting point so it can support the longer SSD. This part may feel a bit tight, so handle it carefully. Now the screw clip is in the correct position. Let's check if the SSD fits properly. Yes, it fits perfectly. Now secure the clip by tightening the screw. Next, gently insert the SSD into its slot and tighten the screw to secure it. If your replacement SSD is the same size as the original one, you can skip the screw repositioning step. While the laptop is open, you can also clean any dust and check if the fan spins freely. Now reconnect the battery cable. Place the back cover and gently press along all edges until the clips lock into place. Tighten all the screws, but do not apply too much force. Make sure all edges are properly aligned and there are no gaps. Now tighten all the screws gradually. Do not over-tighten, as this can damage the threads or crack the back cover. I already have Windows pre-installed on this 256 GB SSD, so we can test it directly. Inspect the laptop from all sides to confirm everything fits correctly. If you are installing a new SSD, you will need to install Windows before using it. Turn on the laptop, and here it is. The 256 GB SSD is now visible in disk management. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more laptop upgrade and repair guides.